Ravi, I'll come to you. We have been hearing all these people who have been working on the forefront of the technology. And we also heard Gaurav before that in terms of the way the government also can chip in that whole process. You have been running an industry and kind of a high-tech industry for a while. How much comfort do you get, and how do you see the future from an industry's point of view?
So thank you, Vishwajit. Basically, at least at present we are using in current computing world we are using 0 1 as a binary 0 1, but in quantum we'll have 0 to 1 anything. So in current computing we are 0 or we are 1. But in quantum, we can be 0 to 1, anything. We can be 0.1 also, or anything 0 to 1. So at least this is going to bring revolution in industry. This quantum computing is going to bring revolution. It can revolutionize manufacturing sector. It can bring efficiency. It can bring scale, quality, optimization. So manufacturing sector is the one sector where this quantum computing can be used at huge level. Our problem is like timing is like our problem is planning to execution take lot of time. Like if we plan any projects, it take 4-5 years to plan. Then RFP to we build RFP, and then RFP to bidding, tender, finalization take huge time, and the execution is having very minimum time. So I hope this quantum computing can help in executing anything very fast, very accurate, very in cost-effective manner. Secondly, we are IT brain. India is having huge IT brain. We are doing good into IT domain, like our Indian organization is doing worldwide better in IT domain. So again, this is a computing is quantum is related to IT, and we all. Every Indian is contributing a lot in data. So data is growing every day. So this quantum will support in organizing those data, securing the data. So we all are in data work. So quantum will support in that also. The problem is like this. Vishwajit said that we don't want to miss the bus because we miss the bus of AI. I have attended many conferences of CII, FICCI, SOCHM, and multiple economics times, and many on 5G. I attended a conference on 5G, I remember. So there are many stakeholders from government side, from private side, and everyone was saying that we don't want to miss bus of 5G. But I don't know whether we catch up 5G bus or not. We have the CII or other people should write a success of failure story about those 5G also, what happened to 5G, whether we miss the bus or we catch up the bus. So in quantum, like it's a lot of R&D required. We are living in a timing world. Quantum will take us to, we are using millisecond, microsecond, but quantum may take us to nanosecond, picosecond. So it's a timing is very important. Like as Vishwajit say AI bus, we miss AI bus. So I also say that we cannot lead this technology. We cannot rule this technology by going by bicycle or bus or bullet train. So I would like to say that we should not miss the quantum flight. So let's fly with quantum technology. Let's make India great, and let's fly with quantum technology. Thank you very much.